Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. What we're going to do today is another little barbecue, and we've got some really nice chicken thighs. They're really going to be really tasty. We've got some pork chorizo style chipolata sausages. We've got the what the heck, but these are pork sausages. We had chicken before, but these are going to be nice. And we've got some like Kofta beef kebabs. So these don't need anything done, nor that, nor this. So what we're going to do is get these chicken thighs out and put them in a tub and marinate them with garlic, olive oil, chives, dill and all that good stuff. So we'll see you soon. So what we do, we get this chicken on. It's been marinated in olive oil, garlic, dill and chives. So this is going to go on now. These are chicken thighs. Got some pork sausages. These are going to be really nice. They're basically called what the heck. Well, not what the heck, but they're called heck sausages. And the ones I had before was chicken with chorizo and some other ingredients in it. But these are just pork ones, so these are going to be nice. And we have these ones, which are pork chorizo chipolata sausages, so these are going to be really nice. We have two lots of those and it's just started spitting again. Brilliant. Let's put these back down here. So we'll crack on with these and we'll see what's going on after a little while. Put those over there. And put them over there. And get these little kebab sticks on. So these are done, so we're going to pull these out, obviously. Get rid of those. Just flop these here for a minute. Get these over here. Shut down the old barbecue. And we'll wait for them to just heat up. Oh, these are looking a bit better now. Get these up here. We'll drop the old lid down. Give them a few more minutes and then we'll crack them out and we'll have a little plate up at the table. So I'm going to take these off and hang these on the rack. So I'm done. What we've got obviously is some halloumi cheese. We've got some flatbreads, really tasty. These flatbreads are really tasty. We've got some potato salad. No, it's not. It's cold. No, it's potato salad. Coleslaw, onions, olives, bruschetta. That's what we've got. So we've got that. We've got some mustard, which is Romanian taste. Mayonnaise. We've got potato salad over the back there. We've got some hummus. We've got our sausages, pork sausages. We've got our chorizo flavoured sausages, and we've got our kebab sticks, barbecue flavoured something. So they're going to be really tasty. And we've got our barbecue beef kebabs. Barbecue fat. Yes, so we've got all that. We've got our chicken on the bone with the skins on, all cooked lovely. So we're gonna, we've got some gherkins over there as well. They're really tasty. I really like those. So I will say goodbye. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to eat this now. And I'll see you all later. Thank you very much for popping in. Stay safe and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.